Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your run command is not saving the history of such commands on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type regedit. Here opens registry editor. Click on run as administrator. Click yes. Now you need to go to HKey current users folder, expand it, and after that you need to go to software, expand it, and go to Microsoft, expand it. In Microsoft you need to search for Windows guys, search for Windows and expand it, and in Windows you need to search for current version, expand it, and in current version you need to search for Explorer. In Explorer, expand it. After that, in there you need to search for advanced. Explorer, you need to check for advanced. Just click on it, and right side you need to click on start track progs to search for it, and here is start track progs. Now I'll show you guys this. I'm coming from where to here. I will zoom it out. You can easily find it. And after that you need to click on right side start tracks progs. Double click on it, and you need to change the value data to 1 guys, and you need to change base to hex. Change this guys, and after that click OK and go back again, and hopefully this can able to resolve guys. Go ahead and restart your PC guys. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.